Welcome back, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. And if you're watching this, you're on day 23, so we're really getting to know each other. You guys are doing a fantastic job, and well, let's just get right into it. All right, day 23. You guys are kicking butt. I'm going to hand you right over to Coach Robin. She's going to tell you what the workout is and get you on your way. Here she is.
Hey guys, it is Tuesday. Good job yesterday on our new routine. So today's the same as yesterday, where we have our 1-minute walk and our 3-minute run. And again, we're going to do that 5 times. So same as yesterday. You did it yesterday. You did great. No worries here today. We do have some company today. We have our friendly Oceanside Pier Harbor seals right here. It's a little stinky here, but you know, it's fun, you know, to just see something different. So I like to come down here and see these guys every once in a while. It's just part of Oceanside. So anyway, don't forget, do your warm-ups, do your workout, do your cool down, and come back and see me. That was a great workout. I really feel good now. I am glad that's behind me. I always feel really, really good after I get my workouts done. So I hope you had a great one too. And tomorrow's a rest day, so don't forget about that. And I'll just come in and check in with you and see how you're doing. So have a great rest of your day, guys.
Nice going, guys. Nice going. You guys are just crushing it. Day 24 is tomorrow. You guys are just moving right along. You're going to be on this 5K before you know it. Until then, until tomorrow, I'll see you. Have a good one, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. And also, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.